ways modern science supports ancient sound levitation myths. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. Acoustic levitation. Modern labs now lift objects using focused sound waves. It's truly amazing, showing sound's incredible hidden power. The science is undeniable, proving its levitating potential. Number 2. Cymatics patterns. Sound vibrations create intricate geometric patterns on surfaces. These dynamic formations echo ancient sacred geometry designs. Number 3. Ultrasonic transducers. Devices convert electricity into high-frequency sound waves. These waves can manipulate small objects precisely. Number 4. Standing wave physics. Sound waves can create fixed pressure zones. Objects get trapped within these stable energy points. Number 5. Resonant frequencies. Matching an object's natural frequency can lift it. This principle unlocks incredible ancient possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.